Hello, my crafty friends. Welcome to Peacock Way. Thank you for joining me. In today's mixed media art, I'll be doing this project. I have used acrylic paints, stencils, stamps. So let's get started. So I'm using watercolor paper. Um, then I'm using one of the sheet from the paper pad. I'm using matte medium, and I'm going to um, stick it on the uh, page. I'm going to tear the other side also and stick on the page. I'm just adjusting the sheet and then glue it. Now I'm using acrylic paint and blending it. Now I'm using mixing little bit different color in that, and then use that and blend it. So if you are visiting my channel first time, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell button and turn the notification on. That way you will not miss my videos as I post it. And please share it with your friends also. I'm going to let everything dry. Now I'm using this stencil. It's a paper stencil, and I'm using couple of colors. So now I'm going to um, add in different areas, and then I'm going to dry everything again. So I'm using this stamp. It is from Kerbala, and then I'm going to put that also on the page. Now I'm going to dry again everything. I'm using a knife and just putting the paint on the um, different areas. This is a simple project. Now I'm using different stencil. Then I'm using black acrylic paint. Then I'm using a Tim Holtz stencil. Now I'm going to dry everything. Then I'm using this paint pen and I'm going to just circle it. So I'm using the paper which I used it for the leftover paint. So I'm just going to draw it and then fussy cut it. Now I'm going to glue it. Now I'm using Posca pen and doing some doodling. I'm using black pen and just circling to give some extra texture. Then I'm just outlining the leaves. I'm using this Tim Holtz die, and then I used black glitter cardstock to cut the die. I'm going to put this in the description box below. I'm going to stick the coat and finish this project. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell button, and turn the notification on. Then you can see the close-up pictures in the end of the video. So I will see you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.